So guys, this is what we'll be fishing today. These are spinners, inline spinners. Look at them. These boys work really good up in the Belize River to catch these bay snooks, moharas, even tarpon and snook would chase these. You just gotta be careful to put on a little line or they will take your spinner. I've had tarpon and I had snook follow these already. Moharas, we call them tuba, bay snooks. People have also caught mudfish with them, which is their melong, as well as tilapia as well. So stay tuned guys, this is what we will be throwing today. All spinners with a bit of bait on the hook, right? That's what we're gonna do. I already have my line rigged up with a spinner already. So you see a spinner missing there. So stay tuned guys. Let's get out there. Catch whip on the water. Beautiful. Stay tuned now guys. Back with our next one. Bucket full of bait. I did not get a video when I went for the bait. But look at this. Full of bait. You want to bite you. Stay tuned guys. Catch me in the morning. We are out again. Alright. Big copper this. First fish. First good fish. Watch there. Big copper alone are this we need today. In size here. Me back and worm. Beautiful copper tongue. Oh, try it there in a groove on the boat there. Hello, one next. Nice base snook, yeah, man. Come on. Must go and base snook wrong here to wait for me. Tuba again. Bogane, love the spinach, boy. A spinach you got it, no? The spinach you got it? Spinners you throw? And Boga love that. You know, catch a lot for that. Now, I don't have show today. Oh, I say you don't catch a lot for that. Yeah, now lona data the short today, lona then Boga work good. Be a snook. Huh? Oh yes, that one. He said one fella he spin I think you know. He said the big blue fish to go. Mother fella. Alright. Good morning guys, viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel guys. Today me, Canoe and Brannon out our journey guys. Haul up some copper tongue, bay snook, and gonna throw some lures. I got the ball on, lures. See if we can get a hold of any snook today, guys. So stay tuned, you know. So we're going a nice trip Canoe. We're going far today, guys. We're going really far today. So as the day goes and the sun come out and the water warms up, you guys want to see some nice tuba action. So we're going to haul out some tuba down the river here, so guys. So we'll head down river from here. So make we see we're going to haul out today, guys. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Mr. Evans, Mr. Post may join me on this trip here, guys, but he can't make it, so hopefully we get some nice fish for him and make it fish today. So make we see we're going to haul out today, guys. You want to see a lot of spinner action, right there, so? Action on these babies there today, right? These I already got mine rigged up. One I'm catching a lot of them with already. I'm going to take a seat. It's not spin. And then spinners can reason. Yeah. Okay. Nice one. So stay tuned, guys. Make sure we're going to haul out today. And guys, when you're using these what's up? Man, get some worm, guys. Some worm for the bucket. Ah, want two shrimp too, yeah? Yeah. Woo. Nice one. And shrimp as well. Alright. Gonna find some more. So as I was saying, guys, when you use the spinners, guys, then you need a thin line. So something from like 10 pound down, that's good for the spinners then. You use anything thicker than that, you don't want to feel the bites and you don't want to feel the same. You end up missing a lot of fish, right? So you want something from 10 pound down is perfect for them. You could, if you want, you could put one leader line in front of it if you want, right? But I don't put none because I don't feel the feel of the fish every pick with that. But it is good to put it because sometimes, guys, like I tell you, the tarpon and snook, they like chase them. But I have a rod separate for them, so if I sit there in a hurry, switch up and I want to show for them as I go, right, guys? So see my setup here, guys. My setup on my Daiwa. I got it from a pen stick, and this is I think this is a 3000. Yeah, what? Hold on. No, it's a 4000. Yeah, it's a 4000. And my next rod for the bigger fish down 5000, right? So you want a thin line so you can feel every bite. And with the spinners, guys, where you do your hibit and you not pull it too fast. When the spinner spin, you want to feel a little tension on the line, and that's all you need to keep that little tension right there so going. And if you slow it down, the fish can turn back and lose interest and turn back. So you need to keep it with that momentum there so the fish can continue grab it. Some of them sometimes when they chase it, I left it for them and then grab it, but not all of them like grab it. But alright, guys, stay tuned. Enough talking, find some bait, get on the fishing. Let's get out of here. Guys, we finding bait are always fun. You find some cool stuff. Alright, guys, so in there runner, guys, we got the lobster, the shrimp, and we got the freshwater lobster. See this one? This is the freshwater lobster, right? You see long arm there, right the front there. Long arm, pretty lee one. So them boys and like dive far, you know. I never eat them before, but I heard them really nice. I could bet them taste good. I say, and this is a freshwater lobster. But here we are letting him go, right? Because hopefully one of you guys already watch this go. Come catch him. You got one too, man. Woo! Tuba. Kasi that one can hold. Ooh, that's a nice one. Canoe one there, guys. Beautiful. What? Mother fire. Somebody get back some fish. Lovely. Alright, hold on. Yeah, got it. That's a big one. Bring her back. Ow! Sucking worm. Bring her back here. Bring her back here. Woo! That's a bama toad. Mother fella. Watch out, guys. Big bass snook.
You got one?
Nice, nice, nice. You got one, Brandon? I got a tuba. Ah, that's a big one. They cannot bring tuba. Yeah? Nice bubble head. Hold on. Boy, when you get the fish, you open the bill. Right now, when I show a fish, guys, and kind of loose. That's the size of that be a snook there. Hold on, sideway. Nice big bug of that. Nice. Alright. Nice fish, guys. That first nice bait snook. So stay tuned. I'll get more. This one here. Yes, no man. Bait snook.
I need to block the zero. Why? I need to block the zero.
Next bait snook, get it here, guys.
And don't come out.
Bye, Brandon. Miss a nice on the snow. Next bait snook here, guys. Yeah. Put it in the box. Throw in the current bugger then. Yeah. Imagine you stop and use sardine. Yeah. Yeah, I just see you raise up from the bottom. Up here. Mother fella, bring a canoe. Big. Come, bring her back here. Mother fella, one big blue till up here. Roll on back here. Mother, take a time. Wait. Try grab big gills. Bring her back here. Alright. Come. Big. I got that. Mother fella. Nice work, Canoe. See the big tilapia, guys. So with the spinners in him out today. Mother fella. Boy, you do it. Haul up, Canoe. Haul up, fire. Boy, see the man haul it. Big tilapia, guys. Woo! That one pretty fish. Man. Watch here. Pan the spinners, guys. Watch a lead thing with the hole on there. If I height it up, I get away. Man. Beautiful, guys. Watch on this massive white tilapia right here. So, woo! Big meal. Cannot do it today, no, guys. Man, the tear there. That is a beautiful fish. My goodness, no? Blessings. Stay tuned, guys. I could get back out there. Stay tuned. Nice one, Canoe. Can they with the owner? Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful tilapia. That. Yes, no man. Next bait snook, yeah, guys. Next bait snook. Nice one again. Next bait snook there, guys. Alright. It happened. Shit the boat again. Yeah. Let them bug and play then. Push me out.
Big one.
And nice one again. Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah. Where they find some money? Joe, boy. Canoe got one too. Copy. Now find the jack there again.
Jack?
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, right now kasi ang canoe. You got time, Brandon. Yeah, G. Tuba, kasi ya. Nice one there, tuba. Be snook, guys. And the man got a tuba there too. Yes, man, he going back. Nice tuba. Beautiful. Show him back here. Nice tuba, yeah, guys. See there? Yes, man. Tuba be a snook to get it. Bait. Ah, yes, man. That's a pretty one. That's a pretty one. Oh, they eat my bait off now. Tuba they chase it without bait too. Tuba they chase it without bait. Chase. Ah, nice one. Motherfucker! Bring her. Nice bait snook, guys. Brandon gave bait snook now. Beautiful. Good job, sir. You got him now, you feel huh? Alright, well I know then. Think not bait snook. Mother fella. Watch ya. Big thing. Watch ya, guys. Big tuba, get it. Eh? Come on, man. Big tuba, see, eh? Pretty tuba that. I think I missed one spell. Put it in the box. That one big one. Ring. It's a nice one. Yep. Well, watch ya. Big bass snook. Look ya now, guys. Think I had a stick. Big bass snook. Watch ya, guys. Our next bass snook, get it. Beautiful. Get in the box. Pretty fish. See ya, nice, man. See Mr. Evans with the tear them out. Man, wish I could have made if you make come. Wish I could have make it. You can have them fun, yeah. I wonder the snowman. Nice one there. That's a nice one, man. Pretty fish again, guys. Woo, hold up. Open a bill, open a bill. Yep. Get back. A copy. Big snook. No. Yeah. Big copy. Mother fella. One side that watch you go on. Alright. Big bugger that. Yeesh.
My God, I just put it down.
Copy done. What?
That down was spring.
Yeah, how about a breeze? Not a breeze. No. Yes, in a country. See that fish there when you're done, no? Hard breeze, we're gonna look when I hit that curve right now. Right now, the hill, boy. Big bugger that. Ay, ay, ay. You, big one too.
Boy, what's fun this one?
Yes. Next big one. Yes, man. Pretty one. Lovely, lovely bass snook. Man say this bait no wine. No friends it too. Nice bugger. Beautiful, Joanna. Yes, man, Johnny. Pretty, pretty. Tobaz. Next Tobaz get it there, guys. Oh, got him too.
Oh.
Yep, I'm a little thing slick. Are they fighting still? Johnny? Yeah. Nice bugger. Achia, this is a big one. Woo! Tripling up, tripling up. We ain't playing with them today. There. Ow. Yeah. Got him again, Canoe. Yes, man, you got him. You gonna run out there. Ah, you got him, eh? Yeah. Beautiful. Alright, this only thing is leave one nearly hooked in and smaller. So then swallow it easy. I need some pliers. Nice one again. Beautiful. Nice. Big copy. Woo! That's a big one. The size of them there. Beautiful. Come here then. Come here, sir. Yes, man. A nice one too. As they drop. Made a wait for I don't know, Joe. Thank you, sir. Put on in a nice, cool area AC down. Yeah, see that big mouth open up just now down there? Yes, man, pretty bass snook. Very pretty bass snook, yeah. And beautiful bass snook, guys. Again, we're not playing into them now, we are roughly out today. Ay, kau yang lain. Ay, di boga yo. Masih kan? This one going way at the boat. Yeah, nice one, is beautiful. Nice one again. Kope.
Yeah, one fan about there.
The one from front. Both to bars, man. Beautiful both to bars. Straight now the cooler.
Baik lah, tos smoke spot tu.
See if I get next one on the live, guys. No followers. That. Show the man. Pretty one there, guys. Mine it drop. Back the water.
Kita renggan atau?
I just feel like the weight command on the line down there. So nobody to follow there. Right there, look at the deep. This the one I'm going way the bottom for them. Next big bugger. See there? Nice one there. Yes, I. Oi, oi. Big bugger. Watch there. Big thing. Big bugger that. Nice.
Memang lep fat top.
No one of them is there. One hard today, yeah. Right now, show now, guys.
Beautiful. Big one.
Big bass no. Yes, man. Stay tuned, you know, guys. Fine there. Put in the box. Where the hell? Shit. Ah, there you go. You can't be a snook. Ah, nice. Toba, I record ya? I record ya?
Yeah.
Nice big bugger, yes, man. Beautiful. I know I feel them bugger they pick. Lone big thing, Papa. Yeah. Yeah, me hard to find it, Joe. Yeah, gee. We stuck up on it today.
I've been good luck that.
Bring the man, well, bring the lock, no?
Yeah, been good luck. No boy.
The man had to shut it down. Bugger. Ah, Atama is no. Lot of them. You got that one?
Yep.
Alright, that one get jing. Nice one too, man. Watch on the buff kopetong. Watch on, bring her. Eyes up. Beautiful. Man, that's a cup, eh? Beautiful tuba, guys. See that? Man. What this here, bud? Nice one. Haha. Go ya. Get over here. Got your backside, yes?
Nah, apa ya?
Tapong ya, guys. Woo, pretty fish. Nah, he will go on bother by us now. Okay, tired here, wait, he not ready yet. We try tired here then. Pretty tapong. Woo, beautiful tapong that, guys. You want to get it good. Pretty tapong this. God. Yep, tear out. Nice tapong there, guys. Nicely action. Stay tuned. Right front of the boat. Watch out on the next big box, yo. Beautiful kopetong. Stay. What is next little ba? I guess find the skin of the lip. Alright boys, bring on our next one. Katang ka, no? Nice. Tuba. Yeah? Beautiful. Nice. Yes, no again. Oh, yes, man. Big one. By the man, make it hook good though. Man, get hook good. I'm thinking, go in just now. Pretty base snook, guys. What do you think of them? Meaty. Cheese and peas and cheese and peas. Look how pretty the fish is pretty now. Right now, showing how the cooler look, guys. We're going to go down monkey in this cooler, yeah. Buy them, play them, tear them out. Got tank, no? Aye, boy. Beautiful to buy again. Nice to buy. Alright guys, we stop here for try one leave. Bottom fishing. I'll show you how the cooler look like. So right now this cooler has a mess of fish. A lot of fish in this cooler, yeah. Base snook too. A lot of base snook too. Everything there on the ice. It's a neck kopetong. Nice kopet, you know, watch here. And balaya. Alone big kopetong. Pretty. And then base snook here. Yeah. One nice fish. Good amount of them. Yeah. Pretty too bad. Not play there. Too bad then. Base snook then hit. So they try here, guys. I want to get some sardine, but that's none of the try out here on the wild and find out when I take off again. Get back on here with the spinners. You see how we can do again today. Up there, so remember when you guys want to hook the tapong. Very nice tapong. But I got it come off. Can't hold him anyway. But yeah, man, watch how pretty this place, you know. No bite, guys. How do I no bite this line yet? I ain't out there too. Wait, boy. It's not there for him, boy. You sure? Are you ready, man? You shake it just now? Let's see. Ah, like him. Pull it. Alright, stay tuned. Guess who the bite out there, cause how they no bite my line? Alright, boy, you stay down. Boy, a couple you got, man. Baka. Ah, nicely baka. Ah, beautiful. Only great fish for the Canoe to get bite too. Show me that catfish. Catfish, guys. First catfish. Put that in, kada hook and drop out. Open the bill, open the bill.
Open your bill. Open your bill, I want to carry.
Bring on your kasi na. Fish the bite, man. Care Canoe line nito. Kasi the fish. Haha. Nicely base snook, man. Nice. Pa rock home.
Dead pa may line.
Very dead. From the start, I pull it. Oi. Hello, one nice dermelong. What the hell? Maybe that this may grab it earlier.
Maybe.
Found the lure.
Found the lure, yeah.
Pretty bug of that. Wait. Now make it go. Kasi yan.
Got it.
Nice dermelong day.
Nice and long.
Pretty one,
Yeah.
Nice.
What?
Pretty one there. Toba get it. Alright, line hook up guys. I'll go lose this. This one, one for me. Nice, Toba that. Mother, so he look dark.
One skin on, no? Relax, bro.
Toba pa my one, but nice size Toba too.
One na kata, this one.
This is a dark one.
Smoke the spot.
Yeah, flowers. Pretty. They left on the search. Wait, to buy the fight. Right there, hey. You want to chase it there.
Finally.
Tuber. Toba get it, you know. Again, worm bud. Beautiful, guys. Yeah. See how much mud there. Toba get it. Come run on. Bring on the next one. See on it? Ah! Nice one again. Watch out behind my one. Ay, dali boga. Wait, watch out behind mine. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a good one there. Yep. That's a good one there. Oh yes, it's a cope. Woo! Look at that, Brandon.
Evans, nahin,
Cope. Assim onde com.
Outra vez.
There. Big thing. Watch ya know though. Pretty cope. Swallow the hook though. Alright, I'll get here. Guys, see ya, big thing. Man, this cooler they look like heaven. Huh. Stay tuned now, guys. Fisherman not a joke. These boys come for fishing. They mean it. Come for yank me out. Bring on here, sir. Now let go this one, right? Open your bill. Nice to buzz, actually. Beautiful. Hala. Kope. Watch on your forehead. Mother fella, bring her here. Bring him here. I just wala. Kope tong, papa. Woo. Head panels things there. Beautiful. Watch how much we ta. Mother fella, two next big one. Ay, boy, two next big one me there with the man. Beautiful kope. Open your mouth, man. Pretty to ba? And cup of the thing there.
Oh, open up.
Yeah, can you buy? Yeah, right there, then boga me there. Sila ba ito? Ayaw, miss one na eh. Oh yeah. Come here, sir. Beautiful base nook, guys. Watch a monster. Mother years. Woo! Monster. Watch ya know. time we get one base snook back. They gonna pan back base snook.
Yes.
Ah, can get back in there guys, cause this one just now. See if the next one leave the win for me. I think boy, you know. You see Anen?
Así como.
Dang. That's a catfish. Jillian?
Small.
Sure. Staying down. Oh shucks, this line is anyway. Ah, nah, copy man. Yes man, what is it? Beautiful man. Bring on ya. Is it? Nice. What is it? Yes man. Fat boga that. Fat boga guys. Do want to leave bottom fish in here. Casting some more lures, but slow. So I'll get back on there right now with the spinners again guys. Go and try to get some more back before we go. Nice one. Okay, grab. Nice tuba. But I ain't oh shit, almost gone. Almost gone. See if the next one in the car. Look how they look. What that word? Keluho. Watch that. Look how much motherfire. A lot. Motherfire. That's a lone black thing. Come. Get back in there. A lot of them there. Again. Come on. Come on, Brandon. Oh, that's a nice one there. You see? Pretty nice on your belly. Beautiful. How about that? See again next one of that. Big bug of that. Yeah. That's a boy. Get chasers? Hi boy. Copy. So you look. Top. This man come with enough garbage for everybody. Check guys, nice one again. Ah, next one. Ah boy, that one gone. Nice copy. That one gone. One big tuba. Watch there. Loose me the Canoe. I got it. So nice tuba there boy. Watch there. Na belly pan na tuba there. Nice one that. Yes I. Yes man, nice tuba.
3 in a row.
Come on Brandon.
One and one.
Next boga. Nice boga there. Yes I get back pana man. Man gun barrel. Lip black right now. Woo! Open your bill. Why that's some mongols there. Take off, bring the fish, make a sit a fish there, sir. Copy tongue. Man, just all on copper here, guys. See? Pretty one that. I got one too. Got one on it too. Liwan no. Nice. Yeah. Liwan na guys. I throw him back. My band belly boss.
Iya. Yes, nemos.
Nice tuba. Yeah. Then why bring the lock man? Ay boy, my big mode. Guys, we made wonder where they are ballet there. They gonna put up themselves. And knock one, finally knock one next one. Nice. Second, yeah, we're going by this one. Yeah. Second last two. Yeah, next one, see there? Beautiful. Beautiful. Cooler look excelente. Let's go over there then. Alright guys, yep, bridge time. Alright, bridge now. Alright guys, we're gonna get to some cleaning. I'll show you guys the fish right now in a few. We don't reach our destination. We'll clean our fish over there by that stone there, so. Alright, so stay tuned. I'll show you guys the fish right now. We're gonna cooler full right now. Got a nice base snook, copetong, everything right in there. Under melon, one fat tilapia. So right now I'll show you guys a preview of how that look. I'll show you. Copetong and tuba. Yeah? Oh, nice cope. Man. Oh, and tuba ka to. Just catch this bale, huh? Hey, mine jump out. Yeah. Pula full. So right now I'll show you guys then when I open the pula good.
Big fish.
Look in there guys. Fish for days, you know. This size of name base snook here. Base snook yun. I show you this beautiful white tilapia once more. This size of this balaya. This thing huge. And this I never strike this up on a line. And check out another bucket. We look for full this bucket right now, you know. Look into full this bucket right now. Yeah? Pretty fishes. Loan pretty fish, yeah? Yeah, loan pretty fish. Asha. They clean up guys. By the clean up there. Canoe. Brandon, they clean up there. We clean all the tuba first, then and do the base snook there after. Man, this one size of tilapia though. Motherfucker, there's a lot of tuba in this thing. Alright guys, we can get to cleaning because we want to try it done. Get back to no. Get back to no guys in a few. The size of this animal, like a big snapper. Big tilapia. Big boga. Bucket to get full leg boy. I need to buy the way back here. You don't get to them balaya yet, see? Just and get to them one now, to the base snooks them. Just want to get to the end of it. The size of this tilapia, guys. My nephew.
That's a good 13, 14 inches.
Over, yeah.
About 12 inches.
Sheesh, yeah. Yeah, I'm going to toes. I'm going to show you handsome toes. Yeah.
My toes ugly cut.
Pretty thing there. God.
My he can fit in half right pan.
I wish I'm my friend pan him going now.
Boy.
Beautiful, man.
I think we only make it like at least 6 days no.
Boy, there are a lot of this look we all out. Huh.
I saw it in console that
Alright, okay, so the Dormelon, aka mudfish. Tell you guys, we might get one. We did get one. See that?
look on the lure.
Meat.
I got the
So
crazy.
the last of the cleaning right there, so.
Still want go?
See there, bucket full. I tell Mr. Evans, man, I wish I could have my con feel anything here today. Man, a little bit more left. I'll show you the fish. Right now, guys, I'm gonna lay them out in the boat. Make you guys see how they look. All of them. That's
I
it.
feel like a party.
Bucket full. So stay tuned. Alright, guys, let me show you guys the catch. I'm trying to catch you now. My God, look for a fish now. Look for a fish now. Watch a fish though. And this guy, this is all for rod and reel. Remember, watch the video. You know, see, all rod and reel. This is no kind of striking. Look on that there. Canoe full of fish. Oh, and this is not all. So you can't got the last base snook there. And the two back over there. Watch here now. Watch for two back now. Man. Woo. Man, beautiful. Tuba for days. Somebody clean the last fish in there. So as always, guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. We got more coming your way. As you can see, guys, if you like rod and reel fishing, this is a channel for you. And thank you guys for watching as always. Shout out to all of the whole families who like watching videos, to your kid. Maybe one day we can do only fishing together. But yes, man, guys, we had a blast. Can't complain today, no, Cano? Can't.